Are you looking to level up your gear, or are you trying to figure out what equipment you need as a new musician? Well, if so, stick around because I'll be giving you the ultimate gear guide. What's up guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to Musician's Mindset, the channel where we aim to help you achieve your goals and become the best musician you can be. What's up guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to Musician's Mindset, channel where we aim to help you achieve your goals and become the best musician you can be. My name is Liam, and in today's video we'll be exploring essential gear for musicians. Guitarists, drummers, vocalists, producers and beyond. We'll cover maintenance tips, advice for budget conscious purchases, and strategies to help you build your collection without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a bedroom musician, a gigging pro, or somewhere in between, this episode will help you make smarter decisions about the gear that drives your sound. Let's dive in. Before we talk specifics, let's start with why gear matters. Yes, music is ultimately about creativity, skill, and emotion, but the right gear can help amplify those qualities, and it makes your life easier. Ever picked up an instrument or plugged into a pedal and suddenly felt inspired? That's the magic of gear. So the tone, the feel and the functionality of your tools can spark creativity in ways you might not expect. Your gear defines your sonic identity, from the warmth of a tube amp to the clarity of a condenser mic. Each piece contributes to the sound you present to the world. High quality gear can save you from technical headaches. Imagine you're on stage and you're dealing with a crackling cable or an unreliable mic stand. Not only is it frustrating, but it can derail your focus. High quality gear is an investment in both creativity and professionalism. Let's break it down by role, starting with some staples for guitarists, drummers, vocalists and producers. Think of this as your essential shopping list for building or refining your setup. Guitarists arguably have the most gear to choose from guitars, amps, pedals and endless accessories. But where do you start? Your guitar is your primary voice. Brands like Squier for Strat and Tele copies or Epiphone for Les Paul styles are affordable and reliable. For professionals, Fender, Gibson, PRS or even boutique brands like Suhr or Gretsch offer unique tonal palettes. And don't forget to consider body style and pickups. Humbuckers offer a warmer, fuller tone, while single coils bring out the brightness and clarity. Amps shape your tone just as much as a guitar. Solid state amps like the Boss Katana are both versatile and affordable. Tube amps like the Fender Blues Junior or the Vox AC30 are preferred for their warmth and dynamic response. Start simple: a tuner, overdrive, reverb or delay, and for more adventurous tones, dive into modulation pedals such as chorus, flanger and phasers. Popular brands are Boss, MXR and Earthquaker devices. Spare strings, a capo, a comfortable strap, various picks in different gauges, materials, sizes, shapes are non-negotiable. Experiment with brands as well to find what best suits your playing style. Drummers rely on gear that is as durable as it is dynamic. A great kit and cymbals are just the beginning. Acoustic kits from Tama, Pearl and DW are staples for live and studio settings. For electronic kits, Roland and Alessis provide compact and noise-friendly options. Start with a good set of hi-hats, a crash and a ride. Zildjian, Sabian and Meinl offer a range of tones from dark and jazzy to bright and cutting. Try a few stick sizes. 5A is a great starting point. Heads from Remo and Evans allow you to tailor your sound, going from a punchy attack to mellow resonance. Invest in a sturdy drum throne and good quality hardware. You'll thank yourself during the long gigs and sessions. Vocalists don't often think about gear beyond their voice, but there are plenty of options out there to help you elevate your sound and protect your instrument. For live use, the Shure SM58 is an industry staple. In the studio, look for condenser microphones like the Audio-Technica 2035 or the Rode NT1 for capturing detail and warmth. In-ear monitors like the Shure SE15s help you hear yourself on stage. Alternatively, a good stage monitor is a game changer. Hydration is key, so keep a reusable water bottle on hand. For warm-ups, tools like vocal straws or apps like vocalists are fantastic. Producers and engineers have their own unique needs, from software to studio hardware. Logic Pro, Ableton Live and Cubase are versatile tools for creating and mixing music. Pro Tools is still the gold standard for recording studios. Interfaces like the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 and the Universal Audio Apollo Twin are essential for capturing high quality audio. KRK Rockets and Yamaha HS series monitors are great options for accurate sound representation. A MIDI controller like the Akai MPK Mini gives you hands-on control when it comes to programming drums, synths and more. Once you've invested in gear, maintenance becomes essential. Proper care not only extends the life of your equipment, but ensures that it sounds great every time you use it. For guitars, wipe down the strings and fretboard after each use to avoid build-up. For microphones, use windscreens and disinfect regularly. Store your instrument in cases and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures or humidity. Guitars need periodic setups to adjust things like intonation, action and tuning stability. Drum heads should be changed regularly, especially if you gig frequently. Always carry spare strings, picks, drumsticks and cables. These small items can save performance if something breaks. Now let's talk about buying gear. With so many options out there, it's easy to overspend or make impulsive choices. Here's how to shop smart. Research thoroughly. So watch demo videos, read reviews, and ask other musicians about their experience with a particular piece of gear. Buy used or refurbished. Sites like Reverb and Guitar Center's used section often have great deals on lightly used gear. Wait for sales, holiday sales, clearance events, and even trade-in programs can help you get quality gear at a discount. Start small, then upgrade. It's better to start with small, budget-friendly gear and then upgrade later as your skill and needs evolve. Your gear is part of your musical identity and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. By focusing on quality, maintaining what you own and making strategic purchases, you can build a setup that inspires creativity and performs reliably. What's your favourite piece of gear? Or do you have a dream item on your wish list? Let us know down in the comments. So if you're taking something of value out of this video, then let us know in the comment section below and give the video a like. We've got a new video out every single week, so if you don't want to miss an upload, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload. Thank you all very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon.